Okay, I'm out on the bike here. Morrison, there she is. And I've made a video about this place before, actually a couple of them, but I want to go do a track dive and then go explore around the old buildings here at the Bandimere Speedway. But anyway, let's head on in and see what we got going on in there. So the first thing I want to do is come in and do a dive and just kind of rip the track. If I can maintain signal, could get a little weak signal up there. We'll see how it goes. If I start feeling uncomfortable, I'll just pull it on up. So, got an ND8 filter on there now, and I'm going to keep the ISO on auto just because we're going to be going in and out of the buildings. All right, start the drone recording now. Got it sitting right over here on the rocks. Sitting over here in a tree. Nice little tree shade. I'm right along C470, so kind of noisy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get over here, whip her in the manual mode, then come around from the left side, dive into the track, and then go explore a little bit. Hopefully on one battery. We'll see how it goes. There is power lines all over the place here, so I kind of got to keep an eye on them. The vandals have just destroyed this place, unfortunately. I mean, look at all the glass and debris and everything around here. All right, come in for a dive. Little weak signal there, not too bad. And I remember last time I almost hit a power line I was here, so. All right. Come back around. Up my camera angle a little bit. Let's take it up to 36. All right, there we have it there. Excellent. All right, let's slow her down here, put her in the sport mode, and go look around a little bit here. Geez, look at that mess. Just sad what people do. You can see the glass glistening and sparkling. Let's see, let's scan to make sure there's nobody in here. Doesn't look like there is. Let's go to this room on the left here. Hey. Wow. Hey, we might be able to just hop through to the next room. These are like VIP seats, I believe, during the grand old days of the race. 69% on the battery, still good. Windows are all gone, obviously. Look at that mess. Let's peek down and see what's on the next level here. Maintaining pretty good signal up here. Up there it got a little bit weaker. I came here back in 2009 with a couple of buddies, and we watched the Pink's All Out drag race with Richard something as the host of that show. But all right, 63% on the battery. We're gonna go up here. I think this is an old kitchen. Come up here and get your hot dogs before you come down. Get your hot dogs. Yep. Oh, look at that place. Crazy. And get your hot dogs, go right out the door. Glass all over the place up here too. Jeez. All right. What's this building over here real quick? Might just be some storage where they used to put trailers or something in maybe. Wow, okay. A little windy and a weak signal. Two things I don't want, so we're not going in there. But it's like it. Huh. All right, 53% on the battery. I think I'm gonna do one more track rip from up higher and then bring her on in. High wind velocity, okay. Let's see, let's stick her back in manual. Go up high here. You look around at the beautiful Morrison area. Red Rocks is right on the other side of that hill. There's Red Rocks. All right, let's dive. All right, let's bring her on home. I wonder what this side was over here. Oh, I bet you they set up their trailers and camps and tents and everything right here. Make sure there's no power lines. Cool. All right, one more fly through here, then we're out of here. A little sketch. Right over here by this little tree. That was a good one. That was fun. Little exploration and ripping all in one battery. That's what I like. That's what I'm after, and that's what my goals are. Depends on the location. Sometimes you can't rip enough with one battery, and sometimes you can't explore enough with one battery. So let's see, do I want to land her in the dirt, or do I just want to come over here and catch her? All right, guys, that is it for that one. Make sure you subscribe. Appreciate it. More to come. Peace.